Hello. In this video, we will cover the tester account My Details updates for the fall 2025 CTC-VIS update. So on this screen, you'll see that I am logged into my tester account. If you have a valid tester ID, it will be displayed here. If it is blank, please email hdim@arb.ca.gov, as it should be the same email address that you use to pass the exam that you've used to create this account. If this is blank, you're either using the wrong login or the tester ID has become invalidated and possibly expired. So here, there's test details, alerts, my details, forms, and the training exam. The tester training exam is now within cleantruckcheck.arb.ca.gov. So anytime you need to take the exam, you will click on this button. This is how you will renew your credentials before they expire at the 2-year mark. And in this video, we'll be covering the My Details functions. So we'll click into here. You'll see your tester account with your name, phone number, email address, and business information. And here on the right, you'll see services that you are currently offering if you are marked on the public tester list. So this is the primary focus of the video. To make any changes here, we'll click Actions. And in the actions, you'll see that you can edit your phone number, and we can also edit profile. So obviously edit phone number will update your phone number, but editing your tester profile allows you to edit the name of your business, your address, as well as your services offered. So any updates done here typically make changes to the website almost immediately, possibly up to 24 hours for them to take effect. So the services section here, the first button allows me to choose whether I am publicly visible on the for hire list or if I am not visible on the for hire list. If the box is unchecked, you will not be found on the public for hire list. That is meant that you are a private tester, typically for a company only, and the public customers cannot hire you. So I'm going to click this box so that I am on the for hire list and general public may hire me for testing services. The mobile services offered just means that I have the ability to drive to my customers to do the testing. So if that is appropriate for you, you would click this box, and if it's not, please leave it unchecked. Motorhome testing has to do with the size of the vehicles. Some facilities cannot fit either the height or the turning radius of the motorhome. So you would leave that unchecked if you cannot facilitate a motorhome at your business location. If you can, you will check that box. And then lastly is the OBD and non-OBD testing capability. So there are different devices for both tests. If I have an OBD device that is on the acceptable device list from CARB, I will check OBD to let the public know that I can perform OBD testing. And the other option is whether I can do the smoke, opacity, and visual inspection tests. If I have the proper equipment for that, I will also check that box. Please note that there are testers that can be either of these. Maybe they're OBD only, maybe they're non-OBD only, or they are capable of both because they have both equipment. Be sure that your services are accurate, as the customers will be calling you based on what you've chosen to display. So once I have gotten this to be accurate for myself, I will click Save, and that will be updated to the public tester list effective immediately or up to 24 hours. So if I were to go just below this, I will also see my credential tester certificates. Any certificates that I have by passing the exam will be listed in this location. There will be a tester ID, and you can click on that to see your certificate and print the certificate either with Control P or a right-click print function. The start date and the end date will be displayed here as well. And please be sure that you always have an active credential for the Clean Truck Check program in order to be completing testing, because if you are an invalid tester or an expired tester, your tests will not be recorded. Thank you all very much and hope you have a great day.